Slice of Enthusiasts here, and here we are in Bamboo Lab Studios, and you're probably thinking, Josh, what is this on your printer today? So I'm going to tell you. So today, or you may or may not know, I may have posted a video, may not have. I bought a 2002 Chevy Silverado 2500 Duramax 6.6 LB7 truck with 310,000 miles. Truck is immaculate. A little bit of rust. It's got kicked by a horse once or twice, but you know, who's gonna say something to me about it? So I bought this truck as a reliable daily driver, get my son, my family around whenever we need to go, anywhere really. So I'll post a picture of it here in the video somewhere. But this little dongle right here, head over to Colts. Not Colts. Where is it? That's my mortgage. Mind your business. There we go. I don't know why I'm like that. So what we're printing out is a Edge Insight CTS3 holder or cubby mount for the Silverado truck. So as you can see, holds the CTS3 programmer slash diagnostic tool slash gauge in this little cubby hole, so I don't have to mount it on my windshield or hold it in my hand or anything like that. So that's what we're printing out. If you're wondering, yes, I did pay this $8 for this unit, because the same thing is, I believe, let's hold over eBay. That's my email. eBay. GMT800 CTS holder. I think this thing is what? If we could find it. It's about 20 bucks on Facebook. I mean, not Facebook, on eBay. Can't find it right now. CTS 3 holder. Maybe that'll. No? Nothing? Alright, well. You know what I'm saying. So that's what we're printing out on 3D printer today. So we'll head back over to Bamboo Studios so you can see what we got going on. So we're see if the camera connects or not. So we're on our Penelope P1P printer right now. So I'll keep y'all updated on how things go, and we'll take it from there. I'm gonna do this one more time, all right? One more fucking time. So I'm not the best at when it comes to filming projects, right? So I am a doer. I just do. So I really need to get better at filming what I'm doing. I'll film the beginning part before I start, and then I won't show nothing in between, and then I'll show you the after part. That's just how I do it, how I've done it, right? Not the best. I need to, if I want to get good at YouTube, I gotta figure out how to film in between, right? Because that's where people get stuck on the in between. So ended up, this video ain't gonna be that, just so you know. So ended up printing out the CTS3 mount for the Silverado, put it in the truck. Probably saw it early in the video. Came out great. Truck doesn't look the best for the interior, but I mean it's a 2002, so what you expect. But I like the file. Printed on my Bamboo Lab P1P. It actually printed up better on my P1P open air than my P1S enclosed. I don't know why. Maybe my filament is old, but we're gonna figure that out later on. So overall review of it is, it's good. I think I can make it better. I'm no expert. I think my mans that did it, mans or women or whoever you are, they did a great job at it. I'm going to try to improve it just for my sake, just from what I see and where I can add a little bit improvement. If I can do that, if I can't. But again, I'll put the link to the 3D file from Colts. It is $8, $8.50, something like that. So you do have to pay for it. And rightfully so, it's a good design. So, but yeah, that's where we're at with it. So, like I said, you'll see in the video, like a quick shot of it in the truck. On the next video of this series or on my YouTube channel, you will see the 3D printed mount separate from the scanner, and then I put it on the scanner, or put the scanner on the mount so you can see how it mounts up and everything like that. So rock with me. Y'all be blessed. Have a good one, and we're going to do it like that.